Welcome to Distracker channel. Most of the important key point is called mobile usability, mobile friendly issues. Most of the mobile usable issues are less small, text content, elementary not visible properly. These are the most affected problem in your particular websites. So if you go to the search console option, here I'm checked for mobile usability. They call give by errors here, two issues. In these two issues, here is a valid is done, is the error will be here. So right now I'm checking errors. Too small to read, text too small to read. Nothing but the text will be very small to read. Clickable element too close together. Nothing but very close for the particular option. Here I'm click this option. I'm go to this website. Here the text will be too small. So what we can go for in a particular blog option, where exact your page, this will be designed by the admin panel. So first of all, admin wants login, where exact your link will be there. First you can search it. Here click for edit option. What are the text content you're writing here? Control A, increase the size for the visibility purpose. If you're not done visibility, they always facing the problem for click element will be very near to user cannot understand. So increase the font will be most important. After this, we have to what are the link will be here. In this, what option will be here? Open new tab. Here will be called inspect URL. Retrieve data from Google Index. So they will show page is not mobile friendly. So I can check with content will be mobile friendly nothing but the content will be very small, not visible to users. So always what are the when you can use the content will be here, edit and check the content will be more high-end. After changing this content, simple we can click for text live URL. Once click the text live URL, still problem is there or not, still will be fixed or not, they can give the clarity. Content is very clippable and visible, and each paragraph we can understanding users that is most effective. So my website will be mobile friendly. That is not a one task. Your text also will be compulsory most important. That will be affected by users can't more time wait on your particular website. So that is called your text and clickable element will be very clear understanding to the users. So that will be once you rectify from your website, after finishing this, click for the text live URL. How many pages you have? Every page you can change and update from the mobile usability issues. Most of the website is mainly text too small. When uploading time, don't direct copy from website to website. First, you have to get a copy website to website. First, you can use a notepad. Proper text will be elaborate. After use the Word document, copy to your particular website and use the proper sizes. Use a visibility purpose. After that, the page is not mobile friendly. They can't show. And element will be too close. They can't give the particular output. So these are the options you can compulsory follow will be here. No data available. Nothing but the page was done mobile usability issues. So these are the option we can follow this in a particular website mobile usability issues. So you got mail from here and what are the mail you got? Check them and fix the issues. All pages will be done. You can click for validate to fix. You can click the all performance click validation. So these are the pattern will be follow on your particular website to fix the mobile usable issue. First, we can change on a website content. After you can fix it by validate to fix. Nothing but they can checking for once again the problem is resolved not or crawling or not. They will be check the information. They fix the mobile usability issues. So do every website same in Google Search Console. If any further doubts about the mobile usability issues, please contact my channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.